I really like it because it's very different. There's all kinds of new innovative designers who've put up their personal style and collection out there, and it's very exciting, especially when you're a girl and you walk into a place like this where there's colors and like jewelry calling out to you from every corner. It's a lot of fun. I mean, I think more than being fashionable, it's important to have your own style. Like, it's important to be a personality of your own, whatever it may be. It may not be flamboyant, it may be flamboyant, but like to portray that has to come through with your presence. So I think, yeah, it definitely is important because you have to make a mark. Like, people have to know you for who you are. So that way you have to dress that way.
Actually, I grew up in Dubai. मैं 10 साल की उम्र में my parents had shifted there, so मैंने और मेरी बहन दिया ने we spent about 8 years there. And Dubai is really an international fashion hub जहाँ Indian, Pakistani, European, American सारे styles sort of blend into one nice melange. So I think it's a very trendy city, right up there on the map with London or New York. And I'm happy that our label, Roshni Chopra Design, is going to be in Dubai. So I'm very excited क्योंकि जो label हमने launch किया है, Roshni Chopra Design, that's going to be in Dubai at their store. Or I think it's a great place to be. It's like putting your label on the map and putting Indian fashion on the map. Oh, most definitely. The fashion industry is growing leaps and bounds, and what's really nice is that people from outside of India are sitting up and taking notice of fashion in India. I was just in the Maldives, on a holiday, and I was wearing something from my label, and there were European people asking us, oh, where do we get this from? How do we order? So I think it's a very ebullient time for Indian fashion, and it's a great time to be in the scene and to be a designer and to be out there and express yourself and your art.